Hey guys, Matt here. So in this video, I want to talk about Hyliion's earnings, which the report came out yesterday. They had their call today. I have not listened to the call yet because I was at work. I'll do that later. But so far, just reading this, these earnings were solid. Now, Hyliion, if you've been on my channel for a while, it was a stock that I used to cheerlead for back in 2021. I kind of lost interest in it, and I sold it at the end of 2021. The company just left a bad taste in my mouth. But since then, I've been reporting on it, and the company seems to be getting its act together. One highlight that I want to talk about, as far as the ERX, which is a thing that Hyliion wants to be known for, it's still on track, which is completely solid news for me. That's one of the things that I've been really, wanting to see Hyliion do is develop this and produce this and get this out on time without any more delays. That's one of the prerequisites for me buying the stock again. And so far, everything's going pretty well. We're getting more pre-orders for the ERX, and they say they expected to the delivery orders to uptick as it gets closer to actual production, which is fine by me. I still want to wait to see it happen, but this is all good news. But the even better news is if we scroll down here to the revenue. Revenue came in at just about 1.1 million, which, where is it? If we take a look at the analyst estimates, it came above the high estimate. And not only that, the year end, 2.1 million in revenue, that also came above the high estimate for that too. So Hyliion, as far as is making money, it's doing very well. Regarding EPS, now this is GAAP, 16 cents loss versus 20 cents loss. So far, these were good earnings. Now I have to listen to the earnings call to get everything, but things are looking pretty good. Now, as far as cash, they are running out of cash, so we'll see how long this lasts, as far as whether they have enough liquidity to get through the ERX release and all that. Now, if we take a look at this right here, let me zoom in here. They say they have 422 million, which I'll believe them, and they say they have enough to get through the ERX commercialization. Got some minor project updates here. These earnings, in my opinion, were pretty good. And you would expect the stock price to reflect that. And for the first part of the day, it actually did. But, as good as Hyliion's earnings were, there are no match for the market. It closed break even. And if you look at now I don't know how accurate this is, but if you look at the after hours, it's down even more. Like I said, it is no match for the market. The market had a pretty bad day today, talking about treasury yields, and I'm going to stop that, and some hawkish Fed speak. I'll spare you the details, but basically a few members of the Fed were talking about, given the less than stellar recent numbers as far as inflation, there some more aggressive rate hikes, which of course the market really, really loved. So the market as a whole just took a major downturn as a result of it. And yeah, Hyliion did not survive. Now, if you're a Hyliion investor, don't feel bad about the stock's reaction to those earnings. Hyliion did a great job. If it makes you feel any better, a stock that I own, AT&T, it had what I would call solid earnings, not like 10 out of 10 earnings, but solid for a telco company. And the stock shot up like 5-6% after that. And for a hot second, I was actually making money. But the market came for it. The market came for it, and it dropped way back, well below pre-earnings amount. So I'm in the same boat as you. So what I'll say is this, as far as Hyliion. If you are now, it's not a company that I'm particularly investing in anytime soon because new year, new me. I'm only investing in profitable companies, but if you are into Hyliion right now, you should feel really good about these earnings, in my personal opinion. The stock price, especially if this holds until tomorrow, this should be nothing more than an opportunity for you. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.